Hello and welcome to our video on AI, or artificial intelligence. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what AI is, its history, the different types of AI, and its current and future applications. Let's start by defining what AI is. Simply put, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. It's the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding natural language, and making decisions. Now, let's take a look at the history of AI. The earliest developments in AI can be traced back to the 1950s, when researchers first began experimenting with the idea of creating machines that could think like humans. Over the years, there have been a number of key milestones in the history of AI, such as the creation of the first AI program in 1956, the development of the first expert system in the 1970s, and the advent of deep learning in the 2010s. Next, let's talk about the different types of AI. There are several different types of AI, but the three main categories are rule-based AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Rule-based AI is the most basic form of AI and involves the use of pre-programmed rules and algorithms to make decisions. Machine learning, on the other hand, is a more advanced form of AI that involves the use of algorithms that can learn from data and improve over time. And lastly, deep learning is a form of machine learning that uses neural networks, which are modeled after the structure and function of the human brain, to make decisions. Now, let's talk about the applications of AI. AI is being used in a wide variety of industries and fields, such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. In healthcare, for example, AI is being used to analyze medical images and assist with diagnoses. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and make investment decisions. And in transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars. Finally, let's talk about the future of AI. There are a number of exciting developments in AI on the horizon, such as AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, and Superintelligent AI. AGI refers to the development of machines that can perform any intellectual task that a human can, while superintelligent AI refers to the development of machines that are smarter than any human. While these developments have the potential to bring about a number of benefits, they also raise important ethical questions and concerns. That concludes our video on AI. We hope you have a better understanding of what AI is, its history, the different types of AI, and its current and future applications. If you're interested in learning more about AI and its impact on society, be sure to check out the resources listed in the description below. Thanks for watching.